Okay, this is Jack at his first try on the Batmobile. Jack, look up here. Are you having fun? Put your feet up. You're off-roading. You're driving. Oh my goodness. Keep your finger on the button. Hold on. Let's put your foot up here. There you go. Okay, you gotta learn to steer. Steer! No, this way! Good job!
Hold on.
You drive that good, Jack. Oh, your other foot fell off. Let me help you. Foot up. Hold on. Stop. Watch where you're driving. Bye-bye. So this is charged for like the whole thing. I'm glad it doesn't go any faster. Wave! Jack, give us a wave. What's today? I don't know. Today's Saturday. We know that, right? It's April 27th. That's what it is. 28th. It is? Oh yeah. Hey, happy birthday, Jack. You're 13 months old today. And what a good driver you are. Watch out for them trees. Steer. No, I don't know. It'll be close. It'll be close. Whoop. Nope, the other way. Uh-oh. No reverse, huh? I'll rescue you. Here we go. Ready? Go ahead. Maybe we should try this on the blacktop. What? Get your foot up and push the button. Hold on. Let's go to the blacktop and try. Well, there's not much blacktop. Alright, you do it. Yeah, grass is softer. Alright, Jack. We'll catch you later. Keep driving. Drive safely. Bye-bye.